The high temperature on Mars today was about 76 below zero. It is a desolate landscape, but it has a fascinating beauty all its own. Here's Chip Reid.
It was 10 years ago that two Mars rovers, Spirit and Opportunity, after a journey of 7 months, bounced onto the Martian surface and began to explore while beaming hundreds of thousands of photos back to Earth. So this one over here is one of your favorite photographs?
It is. This is the empty quarter, and it shows the tracks from Opportunity coming from the distance into the foreground. And it's a very desolate plain, showing how the rover is just sort of moving by itself across the surface of Mars. Really very reminiscent, perhaps, of a ship out in the middle of the ocean.
John Grant is the curator of a new exhibit of Mars rover photos at the Smithsonian Air and Space Museum in Washington. What is the impetus in putting this exhibit together?
Well, we're celebrating not only the 10th anniversary of the Mars exploration rovers, which were supposed to last only about 3 months.
3 months?
3 months, but what we're really trying to do is portray not only the excitement of the discoveries that were made by the rovers, but also portray the beauty that is Mars.
Some photos make visitors feel like they're standing on Mars, like this one of a sunset.
It created this image that is iconic in the sense that everybody on the Earth has seen a sunset. And they look at this image and it's so familiar in some ways, but a little bit alien, a little bit different in others. Every day the images come down and you're looking at something that no one has ever seen before, no human being.
Grant hopes this exhibit will help pass along his passion for discovery to a new generation of scientists.
The kids come in here, I want them to look at these images and say, I can do that. I want to do this. I want to go to Mars and be that person that stands on the planet.
A planet that is even more photogenic than the Mars of science fiction. Chip Reid, CBS News, Washington.